Two solitary hunters with similar lifestyles, but different social structures, the spotted hyena and the jaguar. Who would win in a fight? The jaguar? These are the biggest cats that exist today, second only to the now extinct tiger. It weighs over 150 kilograms. And although they can be found in America today, their ancestors arrived in the continent via the Bering Strait land bridge, when it was still connected to Asia. Because of this migration, the jaguar is the only big cat that can truly claim the title of being the king or queen of the continents, ruling both North and South America. When it comes to bite force, the jaguar really takes the cake. With a bite force of around 1,500 pounds per square inch, it is the strongest of all big cats. But what makes the jaguar's bite so deadly is where it bites. Instead of going for the jugular like other cats, the jaguar goes for the skull. If it manages to get a clean bite on a relatively small animal, it will bite directly through the back of the skull, right above the brain. If it grabs onto the jaw, it will easily snap it, causing massive blood loss. If it gets a solid hit on the temple, it can cause instant unconsciousness. All of this is done with such force that most animals die instantly. Even if some do survive, the jaguar will quickly deliver a second bite, making sure that its prey does not live for long. So it's not just the pressure of the bite, but the placement of it that makes the jaguar's bite the deadliest of all big cats. The jaguar is also one of the most muscular cats, probably second only to the white tiger. This makes them excellent wrestlers, able to take down prey twice their size, such as these giant river otters. But while tigers use their claws to hold down their prey, the jaguar uses its teeth. Once it locks onto prey with its jaws, it tries to keep its prey from gouging out its eyes by keeping its head close to its prey, and then delivers a bite to the brainstem. This allows the jaguar to keep its distance and be safe from any potential counterattacks, while ensuring that its kill will be swift. The jaguar is also a good swimmer, thanks to its webbed feet and muscular body, allowing it to hunt, fish, and even swim across rivers. They have also adapted to living in trees thanks to their sharp claws and flexible spine, which allows them to climb up tall trees and leap from branch to branch. As you can tell, the jaguar is an amazing hunter. But how does it compare to the spotted hyena? Spotted hyenas. The spotted hyena is one of two species of hyena that are still alive today, the brown hyena being the other. These hyenas are found in open grasslands, savannas, and even mountainous regions across Africa. They are often called laughing hyenas because of their strange call. They have been spotted to make this sound when they are surprised or agitated. Other times they produce a whoop sound, which is used during coordinated hunts to direct other members to the prey. Spotted hyenas are known for having one of the strongest bites among carnivores. Some sources say it's 480 pounds per square inch, while others say it's 1,100 pounds per square inch. What makes this stat really impressive is that their jaws are built for crushing bone. In fact, they have one of the strongest jaws among mammals. Because of this, they are capable of dismembering carcasses very quickly, something that even lions struggle to do. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the hyena is its heart. It is much bigger than most other carnivores, giving them incredible stamina. This allows them to chase down prey at 60 kilometers per hour for several kilometers, until it tires out and eventually succumbs to exhaustion. This means that the spotted hyena is the only animal that can run at top speed for long periods of time, something that the cheetah cannot do. In terms of behavior, spotted hyenas live in clans that range between 2 and 100 members, though some clans may be larger. Clans are made up of related females and their offspring, with a few adult males thrown into the mix. Females tend to be dominant over males, and the two highest-ranking females control breeding within the clan. Members of the clan live together year-round and cooperate in hunting, caring for young and defending the clan's territory. In fact, clan members will often help each other to bring down large prey, and without the assistance of their clan, spotted hyenas wouldn't be able to hunt such large prey. Clan hyenas work together to isolate a target from the herd, with individuals flanking the target and moving in unison to cut off its path. When the prey animal attempts to flee, another group of hyenas will be waiting to intercept it. And finally, once the prey is exhausted, they will begin the process of bringing it down. While the prey animal is being intercepted, a third group of hyenas will be waiting nearby, ready to join in and assist in taking down the prey. With the hyenas working in tandem, large prey such as zebras and wildebeest don't stand a chance. These tactics also extend to hunting large male predators such as lions. Spotted hyenas are also one of the most intelligent animals in the world. A study carried out in 2019 found them to be as smart as great apes and pigs. Researchers found that spotted hyenas were able to solve problems to obtain food rewards and could remember the solutions to those problems. This makes them one of the smartest wild animals in the world. So while both the jaguar and the spotted hyena are solitary hunters, the hyena has the advantage of numbers and intelligence, while the jaguar has raw power and aggression. So who would win in a fight? One-on-one? I think we all know who would win. The jaguar is simply too powerful for the hyena. The jaguar is stronger, faster, and more agile in close quarters. And, as we've seen in the past, hyenas have trouble dealing with quick cats that can dodge their snapping jaws. For the jaguar, all it needs to do is get within range and deliver a single killing bite to the brainstem or skull. And the hyena knows this, which is why it will never allow a jaguar to come this close. A group of hyenas, on the other hand, is a different story. While the jaguar is strong enough to take on one hyena, a whole clan would be a bit too much to handle. The hyenas would surround the jaguar, harassing it and preventing it from getting close to any of them. Then a few would jump on the jaguar and try to pin it down. With the numbers and strength of a clan, it wouldn't take long for the hyenas to exhaust the jaguar. And since the jaguar would be unable to get close to the hyenas to deliver a killing bite, the hyenas would be able to pick it apart and eventually kill it. So the answer is pretty obvious. A lone hyena stands no chance against a jaguar, but a clan of hyenas would easily defeat one. Thanks for watching.